Have you ever wondered how your car maintains control during a sudden hard stop? We're diving deep into the anti-lock braking system, or ABS. The anti-lock braking system is a crucial safety feature in modern vehicles. It's designed to keep you safe when you need to brake hard. ABS is a safety system that prevents the wheels from locking up when you brake suddenly. Its primary purpose is to allow the driver to maintain steering control. Without ABS, sudden hard braking can cause the wheels to stop rotating, leading to a skid and the loss of steering control. This is especially dangerous in emergencies. The ABS system is made up of 4 main components working in harmony: wheel speed sensors, the electronic control unit, hydraulic valves, and a pump. Wheel speed sensors constantly monitor the rotation speed of each wheel. This data is fed to the electronic control unit, or ECU, which is the brain of the ABS, calculating if a wheel is about to lock. The valves regulate brake fluid pressure to the individual brakes, while the pump is used to restore pressure when needed. They work together to finally control the force applied to the brake pads. Let's look at how ABS performs under different driving scenarios, specifically normal and hard braking. During normal braking, the wheel speed sensors detect proper rotation, and the ABS system remains inactive, allowing the standard braking mechanism to function. If you hit the brakes hard, the ECU detects that one or more wheels are decelerating too rapidly, signaling an impending lockup situation. This is where ABS steps in to prevent the wheels from locking and the vehicle from skidding out of control. When a wheel is about to lock, the ECU instantly signals the corresponding valve to reduce the hydraulic pressure to that brake, momentarily releasing the brake. As soon as the wheel regains traction, the ABS pump quickly reapplies pressure. This process repeats multiple times per second, which is the characteristic pumping action you feel under hard braking. Crucially, by modulating the brake pressure and keeping the wheels turning, ABS allows the driver to maintain directional control, even during severe emergency braking maneuvers. ABS is more than just a convenience. It's a vital safety feature that enhances vehicle performance during critical situations. While the primary goal of ABS is steering control, it also generally results in shorter stopping distances on slippery surfaces compared to locked wheels. In summary, ABS is essential for modern vehicle safety, giving drivers the best chance to stop safely and maintain control in emergency situations.